Hello everyone. After snap head and pen head type rivet, let's discuss about 60° CSK 60° countersunk flat type rivet head. Let's begin with today's problem. Sketch freehand the front view and top view of a 60° countersunk flat head rivet of diameter 20 mm, keeping its axis vertical. Give standard dimensions. So the given diameter for the rivet is 20 mm, D is 20 mm, and for 20 mm here we are required to calculate all standard dimensions. So for 60° CSK 0.5D, for 20 mm 10 mm and 1.5D will be 20 into 1.5 30 mm, and angle is 60, angle 60 degree. Now the first condition for rivet head is that its axis is vertical axis or axis is vertical. So draw a vertical axis. Again it's better to start from its front view, so we'll start from its front view. First of all, draw its central part, central or then hatch its lower part, and angle of countersunk is 60. So from this point draw a line at an angle of 60. Again from this point draw a line at an angle of 60, or simply draw a regular triangle of size D, and this angle, central angle for countersunk is now 60. This angle is 60. Then extend them like this. Right, now along this line mark a length of 0.5 of D. So from this point 0.5 of D, similarly from this point along this line 0.5 of D. Right, so this is the upper part of CSK type rivet head. This is 0.5 of D and upper dia is approximately 1.5 of D. Dia 1.5 of D, and this is 0.5 of D. Now project all important limits for its top view by extending them parallel to axis. Then draw center line for its top view. Now the top view of this part is a circle, hidden circle. So draw a hidden circle of diameter D, freehand, and this is outer circle or upper part. It's a dark and complete circle of diameter 1.5D. Diameter is 1.5D. Then write headings of front view. This is front view, and top view. This is top view. And then draw table for standard dimensions. And last, heading of the drawing, main heading of the drawing. 60 degree CSK rivet head. So please draw this problem on your sheet, starting from its front view, then top view. Do all dimensioning, write headings, then table for standard dimensioning, and please don't use any instrument for measurement and for construction work. And if you have any doubt, any problem in any of the topic of machine drawing or engineering graphics, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.